everybody, this is Quinn, aka SawMaw, and I'm back in my she shop and getting ready to use another Ryobi tool. So I thought I'd do another review and a demonstration. Today I'm getting ready to use my Ryobi Belt Sander, and I love it. This is the tabletop or bench belt sander. I created a little rolling stand for it so I can take it outside to use. But right now I kind of have it connected to my dust collection system. So I'm just going to use it in here for now. I just need to do a little bit of sanding. But on the other side of this stand, I do have an angle grinder because I used to flip them around if I needed to. Because before this one, I had a belt sander from Harbor Freight, and it was smaller and it could just easily flip around. But a couple of months I had to replace it, and I went ahead and got me a Ryobi belt sander. So I haven't used this tool really long, but I have used it for a couple months and I really do like it. And I just don't know if it's necessary to get the Ryobi one, but I just did it because I just wanted to match the rest of my tools. So I've been using a belt sander for at least 6 years. Just this one is new to me. So to use it, you know, it's pretty dusty right now. Let me see if I can pull it out just a bit. And yeah, let me get it out. You know, I try to create my tools on wheels so I can get to them as necessary. So let's look at this. All right, I think I'm in position now. So I finally remembered to turn my camera around to the right orientation so that I can get a better video. So I can't get much in there portrait-wise, but I just want to talk about the belt sander for a second. There is a disc sander on the side, and a lot of people like to use it, especially to sand the side of their wood. And then you have this rotating one at the top, and I use it the most. Obviously, this looks brand new because I hadn't even used it yet on this machine. But all you do is turn it on and off, and like the other tools, it has a yellow key that allows you to increase the safety in your shop. So if you pull this key out, it's not going to allow you to turn the machine on. And I would say a belt sander like this is a dangerous tool. I have taken off some skin with these belt sanders, so you have to be careful. So I would definitely recommend safety, using gloves, and also making sure you have your eye gear to protect your eyes, and even a mask over your nose so that you're not inhaling a bunch of dust, because you can have a lot of fine particles when you use this machine. So when I'm ready to use it, all I have to do is turn the switch on. I can lift this part of it if I want to, and sometimes I do that because I'm working on different parts of the wood, so whichever is comfortable to me. That's already dusty. I hadn't cleaned it up from the last time I used it because I'm in here quite often working on projects, and it may be nightfall and I know I'm coming back the next day. So let me go ahead and get all my safety gear on, and I will turn it on and show you how it works. So just quickly, because I do the woodworking when the pandemic hit, I already had a number of masks and safety PPE stuff, and it was just so funny when I went to the doctor. They thought I was an employee because I was well equipped with my N95 mask and my gloves. That is just something you're going to need around your shop anyway. So when I'm working with stain and I'm working with paint, I have some nitrate gloves I use, or some latex gloves, so I have those handy. But let me go ahead and put on my mask. And these goggles, I definitely like the ones with the sides, so that it helps give me more protection because the sawdust is going to be coming from everywhere. And then I'm going to back up the camera a little bit so you can see a better view of me using the machine. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and turn on my belt sander. All right, there's dust particles flying all over the place, so now I wish I had gone outside. All right, so now just to finish up the demonstration with the belt sander, you can use the disc part over here. It spins as well as the top part when you turn it on. And so I'll go ahead and grab a scrap piece of wood and sand something so you can see how that works as well. And remember, I said make sure you have on your gloves. I don't even have on my gloves. I'm too used to using the machine without my gloves. But like I said, I've gotten nicked a couple times with my sandpaper, and it has taken off a little bit of skin. So you do want to be careful about that.